Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So as you can see here, I have a Newair 3.1 cubic foot mini fridge. The reason why is, if you follow my channel, you know that me and my wife, we RV live. And you're kind of limited on space. We're definitely limited on refrigerator space. So I got this little Newair mini fridge. Going to do a review of it. They sent it to me to review. I'm not getting paid nothing by them or anything like that. But everything I've reviewed from Newair has been super good stuff. So basically, just a little mini fridge with a refrigerator part on the bottom, freezer on top. Should be good to, and I'll keep it out here in this. You can see that I'm in my little cargo trailer. This is where I basically is my garage for my motorcycles and for our RV life. And we're going to keep it in here just to keep extra stuff in the fridge and the freezer that it has on it. So it should come in pretty handy for us because we have such limited fridge and freezer space inside the RV. So pretty much I need to go ahead and get this out of the box. I can't really film it. I'll have to cut the straps, take the box off, then I'll bring you guys back in here after I get it out of the box. Okay, so that was super easy. Basically, once you cut those two white plastic straps, so you don't have to cut the cardboard box, it just raises up off of it. But packed really good in foam. This is nice looking. This is actually, I think they make this in black, and this is the black and gray doors, black on the sides. Let me turn it here, you can see. See that it's black on the side, gray. It has kind of a brushed look right there. I need to peel off these pieces of tape. Some pieces of foam falling out here. Okay, open this up. Oh yeah, big freezer. I mean, that freezer's deep too. If you can see my arm, pretty much, yeah, to my elbow in there. That's how far it goes back. How wide it is. That's a big freezer. I don't know what this is. String there. Take a tape measure and we'll see the actual size, how deep this actually is. So the freezer, 15 inches deep by, if you count the width inside, the actual inside, it's about 14.25 wide and about 7.5, yeah, probably 7.5 tall. And the fridge is going to be the same depth, same width, actually a little bit wider because it don't come in like the freezer does. So it's going to be 15.5 wide by, looks like about 18 inches tall inside here. Actually really roomy for a little fridge like that. Super cool. Still have no idea what this is, but in the top here we do have a little shelf right here with a bar. Then over here we have some can dispensers, looks like. So put drinks in here, and then we have a little bar here. You put probably put half-gallon milks in here or something tall, and then a little bar up here for another little space right there. And here we have a manual. I'll have to show you that. Take these out. Have some little protective strips here of cardboard. And here, peel these out. There's our energy guide. Estimated yearly energy costs, $32. Estimated yearly electricity use, 270 kilowatt hour. Okay, so these shelves, yeah, that is definitely real glass. Real glass shelves in here. It's got the long one up here and the short one down here. And it has a crisper down here. Nice big crisper actually. Right there, very nice. Here's our control, max, medium, minimum, and an off. Turn it off right now until I get it plugged in. So we'll go ahead and plug this thing in and get it to running. Then we'll look at this. So basically there's nothing to show you on the back except for a black back that's real flat and just a 110 volt power cord tied up back here, right here, to plug into a wall socket. Okay, we are plugged in. I should be able to just turn this to, oop, already the light come on in here, and I heard the compressor kick in. I don't know what it set the temperature on yet. We'll have to check inside the manual here. So in here we have the owner's manual, some other registration, product registration papers. This is cool. We have a scraper. This is not frost free, basically. It's like house refrigerators, most of them are. So every so often you could actually take and scrape the ice out without having to defrost this thing. If you'll just scrape it out once in a while with that little scraper, it ought to work pretty good. And then check out this little bitty ice tray. I mean, what in the world? Well, it's kind of a neat touch they throw it in there, so we can put some ice in this, let this thing run a while and see how long it takes to freeze some ice. But cute, cute, cute. I'll put some water in that. Go ahead and shut this door for right now. Okay, so now that we have it running, got it closed up here. One thing that I did notice, which is really cool for such a mini fridge like this, is these doors are reversible. So you actually take the hinges off, pull the little cover off the top here, take the hinges off, swap them to the other side, and then you can make it where the doors right now, they swing this way. You can actually make the doors where they swing the other way, depending on where you put them. That's a very cool feature for a little mini fridge to have that. Nice Newair logo up here. Another cool thing is it does have adjustable legs. It's just thread right here. So you just see on the bottom here, hopefully. But just crank that, and I can level this thing up. So very cool. I'm going to let this thing run a while. And put some water in there and let it freeze ice. Okay, so if you notice, I got it sitting here on the floor in the cargo trailer where I'm going to keep it. I had to move the door to the other side, but it's easy. Just unbolt these 3 hinges from this side, move them over here, swap the doors over. Super simple, because I wanted it to open this way, because you can see this is the door ramp, and that way it opened up that way out of my way. So super cool. But it ain't been 15, probably 20 minutes, and look at that. It's already where I spilled some water. I already froze that into ice. The ice cube tray ain't started freezing yet, but it will. But that's fast. Super cool. Okay, so it has been 2 hours. And yeah, we have ice. It's not froze totally solid yet, but it's pretty close. It's almost solid. Also put some ice cream in here. So this thing may come in handy because I spilled that water to break the ice loose where I spilled that water. Okay, you see the can dispenser right there. Pretty cool. Looks like it holds 7 cans or 6 in there now, but I believe I can put 1 more right here. And you can just pull out separate, so you can have 3 of separate kind of pop on the bottom, like down there. Pull them out right here, and then middle ways you can pull out this style pop, whatever you got here, from the middle. But I can put 1 more can up here. Makes it 7 total. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, that is it for the Newair 3.1 cubic foot mini fridge. Very cool. This is a model NRF031GA00. This is because it's got the silver on the front. If you want it all black, that would be model NRF031GA00. BK for black, GA, you know what that means for galvanized. Kind of a galvanized look to it, brushed galvanized look. So very nice little mini fridge. Definitely better than one of these. I can tell you Newair is first class stuff. So it's definitely better than a lot of these things you're going to buy at these stores like Walmart or Target or something. These are Newair stuff is really good products. So I like them. Everything I've had Newair, I got a deep freeze this Newair, and it's been going for years now. We're still running like a top. Anyway, I will post a link to this below where you can check this out. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you all later.